I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now search for action SendGrid. Give a name. For API key, please click on SendGrid API token. Click on Create API token. Give a name. Now click on Create and View. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integration successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to SendGrid dashboard and click on Marketing. Then click on Contacts. Click on All Contacts. You can see record is created in SendGrid. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.